This is the solution to problem 25 from homework 7.1. We're asked to simplify a trigonometric expression, and the one we're asked to simplify is secant squared x minus 1 over sine squared x. When we see secant squared x minus 1, we should think about Pythagorean identities because we have a function squared in 1, and the 1 here is I tangent second, so it's 1 plus tangent squared x equals secant squared x. If we subtract one from both sides of the equation, we'll get that tangent squared x equals secant squared x minus 1. So the first step in simplifying this expression is I'm going to substitute in tangent squared x instead of secant squared x minus 1. So we'll have tangent squared x over sine squared x. Next, we can replace tangent squared x using the quotient identity as sine squared x over cosine squared x. So I'm going to go up here. Then we're going to have sine squared x over cosine squared x all over sine squared x over 1. And now we're dividing fractions, so I'm going to take the reciprocal of the denominator and multiply. So I'm going to have sine squared x over cosine squared x times 1 over sine squared x. At this point, we can cancel out the common factor of sine squared x. That leaves us with 1 over cosine squared x. And 1 over cosine squared x is secant squared x, which is letter E.